Hey guys, my name is Nana and welcome to my channel. So yesterday was actually my mom's 50th birthday, so today we're not going to be doing anything traditional. We're not going to be making an Asian recipe or an Italian recipe. We're going to be making something inspired by my mom. So if you know my mom, she loves Black Forest cake so much that she would actually get it almost every year for her birthday. And the other thing that she loves is ice cream. So I thought of mixing the two together, but seeing that I'm also not that great at baking cakes, we're going to be doing something a little bit simpler. So we're going to be making a Black Forest brownie ice cream sandwich. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fudgy brownie with some cherries mixed in, but obviously if you don't want it to be Black Forest brownie, you can add whatever you want. And yeah, so we're going to bake those and then sandwich like some ice cream in between, and ta-da! You know, Black Forest brownie ice cream sandwich. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get baking. And that's pretty much it. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any feedbacks or requests or whatever, please just leave me a comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!